Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I'm reporting from our Boxborough showroom, and we're taking a look at this gorgeous 2021 BMW M4 Competition, and this is in Isle of Man green metallic. If you're interested in learning more about this M4 and seeing a very nice detailed video, Tom from our New Hampshire location has already done so, so that will be linked in the description and in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. And my video right now, the purpose of this is a follow-up just showing what the roof looks like now that the vinyl has been removed. So let me explain a little bit further. This is a one-owner vehicle, and the original owner had the roof wrapped in a black vinyl to kind of mimic the look of the M4s that are optioned with the carbon roof. So we had a lot of feedback from customers saying, you know, what's the condition of the roof underneath that vinyl wrap? So with such a special vehicle as this M4 Competition, we really wanted to present it in its original kind of factory form. So we professionally removed this vinyl wrap, did a very, very light polish just to kind of boost the gloss a little bit on the surface of the clear coat. And I'm just showing you right now that the roof is actually, it's in perfect condition. That vinyl wrap was professionally installed. And what that kind of did was honestly preserve the condition of the roof, because it acted as kind of like a paint protection film while also yielding that black color. So we also had a few people reach out, you know, preferring if the roof was the, you know, this gorgeous paint color. So that's also why we removed it, because, you know, some would prefer that it doesn't have the black vinyl on it. And remember too that this has a sunroof, as it's a metal roof. So that is a plus over the vehicles with the carbon roof, as they don't get sunroofs when the carbon roof is optioned. So to close out this video, let me just do a quick walk around the M4, just to show you it's in as gorgeous of shape as it was just a little while ago when it was at our Hampton location when Tom did his video on it. Checking out all these awesome gloss black accents. Even those quad exhausts, we can see no carbon buildup or any sort of soot or anything. Those are perfectly clean. And the surface of everything is just really quite immaculate. No dings or dents of any kind. And we can see the nice reflection of the lighting and other things in our showroom with how glossy that shine is. So at the time of this video, of course, this M4 is available on our website. Go check out our detailed listing. And like I said, watch another video that Tom made. He did really an awesome job, and you get to hear that awesome exhaust as well. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future motoring content.